Welcome! If you've ever gone live on Instagram and wondered where those live videos go after the broadcast ends, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to view your live archive on Instagram with the latest steps for 2025. Whether you want to re-watch your sessions, save highlights, or just check your content, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you hosted your live videos. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, look to the top right of your profile page and tap the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. This will open up a list of options. From here, tap on Your Activity. This section keeps track of everything you do on Instagram, from posts and comments to your recent searches. Next, find and tap on Archived. This is where Instagram stores all your previously shared stories, posts, and of course your live videos. At the top of the archive screen, you'll see a filter option. Tap on Filter. A menu will pop up letting you choose what type of archived content you want to see. Go ahead and select Live Archive. Instantly, you'll see a list of all your past Instagram live videos, neatly organized by date. You can tap on any video to watch it, review the comments, or even download it to your device if you want to keep a copy. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can easily access your entire history of Instagram live videos. This is perfect for creators, businesses, or anyone who wants to revisit their live moments. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.